My boat is one of the premier boats here at Toonfest in Lake Havasu, but it's not going to be the only rig. I have another one, but I have to build it. They want a display booth slash wet bar that looks like a pontoon boat, but in order to do that, we're going to actually have to build a tiny pontoon boat from scratch. So you could put a motor on this and use it as a boat, or you could just use it as a floating bar in the water, or you can use it as a display booth slash wet bar like we're going to. So let's get right into building the smallest pontoon boat I have ever personally seen. We'll also be installing a sound system, nothing too big, and the LiTime Ultra Mini 100 amp hour lithium battery is a winner for this project. Flashlights also makes these super high quality orbit neon LED strips that will bend around the most ridiculous ways and fit right in the grooves that we've built in the system. I built this actually to fit flashlights in it. That was entirely in my mind the whole time I was building this. Is how we're gonna light this thing up like I did my other boat. And as you may or may not have known, we are very big fans of LiTime because they're the one economically priced battery that's actually backed by a legitimate company. They've established themselves, been around long enough to actually back their warranties. They sponsor fishing tournaments. They're huge proponents of the actual marine community. So I teamed up with them for this project. So here are those flashlights, orbit neon lights in actual action. We bent them all the way around the bottom. See those 90-degree angles? You can't do that with any other LED strip. And they're also neon, so no dot, dot, dot. Just straight up neon like the Tron Legacy. And it's got all its major components. It's got switch panel, little phone charger, fuse block bus bar combo, cutoff valve, and of course the flashlights controller, which glows the same color as the lights. And of course, there is the stereo system down here. This is Toonfest 2026 in Lake Havasu, and Lippert is the title sponsor. In this booth, they're really counting on it to work correctly. Before we powered this thing up, we downloaded the LiTime app, and they have QR codes to make installations seamless, to hook your phone up to monitor the battery